This is not a job for people who are looking for passive income. It is a legitimate job that pays you up to $200 per hour. However, you're the boss. I get to choose when I want to work. For the most part, I'm working at home. This job is called content creation, and it's not for yourself, but for other people. So here's your offer. You are going to be producing 30 pieces of content for your client every single month, and that's going to get you paid $1,000. So the breakdown is, you're going to be doing a video shoot, which takes about 2 to 3 hours. As you're going to be making 30 videos, each video actually only takes 10 to 15 minutes to produce. The only strenuous part is actually leaving your house to go and shoot the content for the people. And what's even better is that you can charge people by the hour for your shooting time. So if you go for a 3-hour shoot and you're charging $50 an hour, that's $150 just for the filming. The best part about this is that it's a subscription. So they are coming back to you every single month for more content. So let me tell you why content creation is very high in demand. Most gym instructors, nutritionists, yoga instructors, blah, 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 make anywhere between $6,000 to $8,000 a month. They're gonna be willing to spend $1,000 because you're doing them a service which is ridiculously beneficial to them. You are doing them a favor by saying, bro, $1,000 and I'll take care of your social media content for you. Last year I was working for a bar and I got paid an extra $150 every single month just to post their videos on Instagram. It takes me 2 minutes. So breaking down even further, how much money you're gonna make. If you work once a week, you're getting paid $4,000 a month. And if you work twice a week, you're getting paid $8,000 a month. 4 times a week, you're getting paid $16,000 a month. $16,000 a month to work 4 days a week. You're making more money than 90% of people in Australia with a fucking iPhone. How embarrassing is that? How do you obtain clients? Okay, sometimes I don't understand how Google Maps is free because Google Maps is probably the best source for clients. I'll type in gyms in Melbourne. You will have 200 to 500 gyms within a 20-kilometer radius of you. Next, get a spreadsheet and just gather all of these emails from their websites, their social media pages, or whatever. So I can gather 100 emails within 40 minutes. When I was in the phase of collecting clients, all I did was send out 100 emails a day, which took me 45 minutes to do. So after 1 week, 7 days, you would have already sent out 700 emails. So out of the 700 emails, you would have about 30 to 40 replies. 5 to 10 of them are guaranteed clients. In terms of money, that is $5,000 to $10,000 already guaranteed within your first week of outreach. And the beautiful part about this is that once you've obtained 5 to 10 clients, you don't even need to reach out to clients anymore because your name will spread quickly. You will get referrals and you'll get people asking the gyms, yo, who filmed your content? Who's your content creator? I need a content creator. And then they'll reach out to you. And it'll just be easy for you after you get your first 5 to 10 clients. Okay, so this is the exact email I use here. How's it going? I'm Seb, a videographer in Melbourne, and I make content for gyms. I was wondering if I can take the stress off your shoulders by planning and creating daily content for you. I'm pretty hardworking and get my work done within 24 hours. I'd love to have a chat with you. So when people reply to you, they'll always say the same thing. What's your price? Can we hop on a call? How does it work? And you just explain everything. So here's the pros and cons of this job. So let's start off with the pros. Number 1, you are your own boss and you choose who you want to work with. Number 2, it's not competitive at all and honestly very high in demand. I remember when I first started off in videography, I had to tell people I can't work for you because I had too many people I was working for. Number 3, this is easily replaceable for anybody's full-time job. Number 4, you don't need a degree. And there's a very low barrier to entry in terms of skill and finances. You just need a phone. And number 5, you can gain your clients within a week. So when it comes to you applying for jobs in the real world, it takes you months to get a job. You have to send out hundreds of applications to a bunch of people to end up just getting paid $5,000 a month. The fuck is that? And then you get taxed 15%, 30%, or whatever your tax amount is. And then you're left with $4,000. You don't need any degrees. You don't need any certifications, any qualifications. All you need is an iPhone and a bit of hard work. Okay, now let's move on to the cons. It takes effort to obtain clients. And when I mean effort, I mean 5 hours. It takes 45 minutes to send out 100 emails. If you do that every day for 7 days, that's about 5 hours and a half. If you're not doing this, how else are you gonna get jobs? Send out 100 job applications to cafes. Number 2, it's bad for procrastinators. If you procrastinate a lot, honestly, don't work this job because you're just gonna end up pissing off your clients. Imagine someone paying you $1,000 and you just procrastinate the work. And number 3, when it comes to filming, you actually have to be at the shoots. Some people might not like that idea, but at the same time, don't you have to turn up for work if you're working any other job? If you're not even a little bit keen in this job, then bro, you need some serious help. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.